subscribers. My name is Grapey, and today in this video, I will be teaching you how to code. Well, it's not the type of coding that you think. It's a simple notepad code. So this includes echo. So first what you want to do is you want to have or open up your Notepad Plus. Or if you don't have Notepad Plus, you can go search up Notepad. Your regular desktop notepad that comes with your computer. Open that up. Don't need that. First, click File, Save. Go to Desktop. Put whatever you. I'm gonna put this as video example.bat. Now, I'll explain what a BAT file is, what it is in a moment. But first, if you want Notepad++, what you want to go to is notepad-plus-plus.org. I'll put the link in the description, but right now I already have it open. So once you have it open, what you want to do is, well, this is completely safe, and what you want to do is you want to go to download. You want to download the latest release date. So you want to click download, and once you have it, pause this video, download it. When you come back and unpause the video when it's done. So after you have it down, you want to go to here. You want to click on your notepad. Then what you want to do, you want to have a new file. Now still, if you just have the regular notepad, you still have your file right here. So basically what we want to start off with is that, let me zoom in. Shift to echo off. Hold up guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I had to make sure I had the right coding for it. So yeah, but if you have Notepad Plus, what you want to go to is go to language, click, go down to the B, where you see batch, click on that. Now you have it. So let's start up with our menu. As you can see over here, this is what we're going to recreate, but in a different way. So first, copy what I'm doing. So now you want to make your menu. So what you want to do is you hold shift and click on 8. So this makes this little star button. This can also be used as multiplication, but we're not going to be using that today. Click that a few times. Now we're going to make a name of your game. So when I say we were going to make a remix of this, well, this was an actual tutorial that I followed. So credit goes to the user that's going to be down below. So let's create a game. I was thinking of just a regular story. So just a regular story. Then close that up. Hold shift, press 8. Match it up. Good. Now let's go back to the other script. So this set /p num equals. Hold on, let me get to this first. So basically these are the menus. This is the menu. And what you can do, you can either start the game, get help, or exit the game. this is what we're going to be building right now. Basically, starting, helping, exit the game. So let's go back. Now you want to go echo dot. Hold on, I'll be right back again. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, I had to get something to drink. My throat was dry. So back to what I was saying. This echo dot, that's basically pausing what was in this area. Okay. So back to what I was doing. If we go back to the script over here, we were going to build this menu right here. The start, help, and exit. So let's go back. Press echo, go over, press 1, hold shift, 0, space, start. Then you want to do that. Then you want to do the same thing, except this time it will be 2, shift, 0, space, help. Press enter, echo, 3, shift, 0, space, exit. Good. Now that we have that, we need to set up our num. So back to the script. So we need to set num, /p num. So this means if we were, hold on, let's go to my desktop and click an example that I made. See, it says Windows batch file. Double click this. Just wait for it to load. Don't leave. So if I were to press 1 and enter, it would go straight to what we were doing. Go straight to the menu. So basically, this means if I press the number 1, press enter, then I will go to start, which is a function. This would be start. If I were to press 2, and it would go to, that would be a function and go to help, which is right here. But if I press exit and enter, it would leave the program. Let's exit this out. Back to the script. So what we would do is set /p num equals enter. Well, I like to keep my stuff organized, so I do it twice. So now here's the actual coding. If shift 5 num, press shift 5 again, 2 equal spaces, which means if I do this, then do that. 1, go to start. Now you want to do that for the same thing for the other 2. So if %num percent equals 2. Okay, back. So back to what I'm saying. So if %num percent equal 2, then go to help. Do the same thing for the last one, except there's going to be a difference. So equals 3 space 3 exit. It's just that simple. So now you want to go. So back to this script. So first you want to start off with the first thing you said, just to keep everything in order. So first we want to do this function. Well, technically, I want to call this a class, but I clearly can't. So we're going to go find the colon, press shift. Well, first find the semicolon, which will be the dot and the comma. Press shift, press that, you have code like so basically what we're doing, we're setting up this menu. Well, we already set the menu. We're setting up the first part of the coding or of your story. This when it says num, so this num will connect. Hold up. So so this num will connect to this. We connected that. So basically, this would be, say this was the brain, whatever. And this, no, no. That's backwards, but whatever. But say, wait, let me redo that. This wouldn't be the brain. This would be the brain actually, because you're calling this function. So say this is the brain. You, so if you press one, so say if you press one, this would be whatever. Press one. This would send a function saying, "Hey." So the person pressed one. So let's go to start, and then this will reply back. That will reply back and say, "Okay, let's go to start." Okay, so back. So let's finish doing what we were doing. Start. So first you want to start with CLS. So that means it will clear all of this and go to this. So echo. Right now, I'm gonna use some Lorem Ipsum. If you don't know what that is, oops, don't know what that is. It's just different language. It's just a random language. So Lorem Lorem Ipsum. I'm gonna get some Lorem Ipsum real quick. I'll be right back with you. Okay, I'm back. So I got some. I'm on the Lorem Ipsum page right now. Oops. Yep, I'm on the Lorem Ipsum page. I'll also put that in the link down below. But yeah. So I'm gonna take a lot of this. Control C. Go back to Notepad. And then paste it. Oops. Nope, that's not what I meant to do. Hold up, guys. I'll figure out what I did. Okay, for some reason it didn't let me paste it, so I had to go back and actually do it manually. So now I got my line of Lorem Ipsum. Let's just close that. So we do echo dot, which will close the whole thing. Hold up. Sorry, I got an alert. Alright, so back to what we were doing. So yeah, we'll basically close this. So no more of that will come open. Press, type in pause. Pause. So basically, back to what it was in here. We do pause. So back to pause. So when we do a pause, that means this stops. Like this stops, takes a break. So basically we're telling it, take a break. Then go to the next line after you're done. And then we would go, then we would put go. Then do, go to, whatever you want to go to. So since y'all want to make your own stuff, but right now, let's just do something. So go to, I don't know, game. Go to game. Now we need to do this whole thing for help. So what I'm gonna do this, copy, go to the next line, paste, change this to help. Since it was help and we told them how to help, we would go back to the menu. So go to menu. We don't need to do anything for the exit because watch this. Hold on, let me save this. Back. Save. Go to desktop. Yep, go to desktop. Let's find a new one. Double click it. Wait for it. Now press 3, enter. It will automatically leave because it's nothing to help, because it's nothing to support what we're doing. So it will just automatically leave. This is just the basics. I'm not really gonna go deep down into it. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, share with your friends, and have a nice time. Later.